Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to change your screen timeout settings. So we are going to change the time and how long it does to shut off the screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar and search for power and sleep settings. See here, power and sleep settings. Open that, and here it says when plugged in, turn off after. So this is the time you're going to ask when your screen to shut off. Okay, so mine is set at 30 minutes. You can set it at an hour or maybe just never. So yeah, that I'll leave it up to you. So this is how to change it. It's a very simple process, and yeah, this will help you. Maybe you have a file, or maybe you just want to keep your PC idling and you want to see the screen. You can put it to never and just go on with your day. And you can just close that. You don't have to save anything and it'll be automatically saved. So that's all for this video, guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.